EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchich with your outlook for September 8th, 2020. We're back from the holiday weekend, and I hope everybody enjoyed this weekend because it was fantastic with not only dry conditions for most areas, but we also had plenty of sunshine and very comfortable temperatures over the weekend. And then we got a little bit warmer yesterday, and that warming trend is going to continue over the next couple of days through about Thursday before we have a cold front come through and lower temperatures toward the end of the week. But today is going to be another one of those days where it's going to be mostly sunny, and that's because we still have an extension of high pressure off to our east. This is not on the map here. There's a big high out here a little bit further east than indicated, with this extension around it is going to keep this precipitation off to our south and not allow any of this here to get into our area. So it's kind of like a blocking pattern almost, where you have the high pressure still in control over our weather. It is moving east, but there's still going to be enough of an extension here and influence. We have the mostly sunny skies remaining today. And, after this, we had this very long weekend. This is just an extension of that. And it's been good. It was really good for us to, as for all of our staff, me especially. I mean, I really didn't think about weather this entire weekend. I was just able to enjoy it with family this weekend. Just had a nice, relaxing time. And it's very rare in this profession in particular that you have this no worries about anything kind of weekend like that for 3 to 4 days. And that's basically what we had. So we're having an extension of that today. And then once we go forward into Wednesday, that high pressure's influence is going to be less because we're going to have that moving off to the east. That's going to allow this stuff down here to the south to start creeping northward and may even bring some showers to our southern zones. Should be mainly south of the Mason-Dixon line here. Delaware, southern New Jersey will be included in that. But they're down in these areas here on Wednesday. The further northwest you go, it's going to be more sun than clouds, and further southeast, it's going to be more clouds than sun. So even if you don't get any showers here on Wednesday in our southern zones, you're still going to have more clouds limiting the sun here than areas further to the northwest and in the interior. So here's a look at the NAM has here. Just a few showers around here just in our southern areas. Not much. It's not really much here, but the fact that these that precipitation is coming a little bit further northward here is because of the fact that high pressure is moving out to the east and it has less influence and is not able to block anything as far as this coming up to our region. So there will be the opportunity for scattered showers, maybe even thunderstorms for our southern areas. But I think most of us are dry here on Wednesday. And then Thursday, the cold front comes through with scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. This doesn't look like a widespread event here, though. So it could be more like hit or miss type stuff, like a 30 to 40% chance of a storm, that kind of thing. But when this cold front moves through, it's going to lower temperatures. So the next couple of days, we have the upper air ridge in place. That's going to allow temperatures to be above average. I know it's not 90s, but we're getting later in the summer here. So when we're talking about 85, 86, 87 degrees, that's still above average. I mean, normal highs right now are generally 78 to 80-ish, somewhere in there across our region. So it's still above average, and it's still going to be a little bit more humid than it should be. So with that, through Thursday, we're going to have those warm temperatures. Then on the opposite side of this front, once we get to Friday, we're going back to mostly sunny skies. And you can see that here, high pressure is going to be building in for a couple days, both Friday and Saturday. So a couple nice days back into the 70s for most of us here on Friday. And then even a couple degrees even cooler than that on Saturday. I think Saturday is kind of like low to mid 70s. It's going to be a beautiful day. Looks like here on Saturday. Now, on Sunday, there's going to be a warm front that's going to be pushing off to our north and push ahead of this system coming in. There's going to be a cold front behind that. But there could be some showers coming in late Saturday night and Sunday morning, and then a cold front comes through in the afternoon and overnight, and that gives you scattered thunderstorms. Again, this doesn't look like a severe day here. We'll continue to monitor just in case, though. But it does look like in most cases it should clear out by Monday morning, so you're just left with any morning clouds giving way to sun and the partly cloudy skies here as high pressure builds back in again as we get into Monday. So no big systems coming at us, but there are some threats for showers this week that we have not had in the past week. It's been a very long stretch of dry weather, and we're going to have just a few frontal passes on certain days to deal with. That should be, fairly quick. But, Sundays looks like it's going to be a little bit more slow moving. So you could be, again, warm front in the morning, kind of give you showers hanging around the morning. And then you have showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and part of the overnight at least. But that looks like it's the biggest threat over the next 7 days. Thursday looks a little bit more isolated to widely scattered. So, again, 2 chances there, not a big deal, but the temperatures are going to be warmer to start the week up through Thursday. After that, we start to cool down a little bit and get back into the 70s. I'm EPA and WA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for September 8th, 2020. Have a great Tuesday.